Today I have View and You puzzle by Hanayama. I'm gonna show you how to take it apart and how to assemble it again. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 4. Let's open the box. Inside you can find information about other puzzles. There is a small instruction which gives you only a small hint that you have to look very careful at each part first, then to try to solve it. And there is no solution included, as always. This puzzle looks like 2 bolts, U-shaped, with nuts on the end. You can screw these nuts up and down, but you can't take them out. So this is the last position and nothing happens if you push more. And all 4 nuts do the same move. One piece has U and U sign on it, and another one has Hanayama sign. If you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching this video. But if you don't want to spoil all the fun solving this puzzle by yourself, stop watching now. Let's start. When I first took this puzzle in my hands, I made as it's written in description. I tried to look carefully at all the parts. And the first that I found is that one side of each of 3 of the 4 nuts is a little bit thinner than other parts. So this nut has this part a little bit thinner. These 2 nuts have one part a little bit thinner, and the only one nut that doesn't have it, it's a nut on U and U piece. It's absolutely the same on each side. And that's what I found first, and I thought that I'm gonna solve this puzzle in 5 minutes. But I spent 30 minutes trying to disassemble it and didn't succeed. Then I tried to look a little bit more careful, and what I found next was the small part of this bolt by C sign and H is a little bit thinner than all other part of this bolt. So the first move to solve this puzzle will be to take the nut, which is absolutely the same on all sides, and put it on the other side of the bolt, like this. The next move will be to take our Hanayama part and try to squeeze it between bolt and nut, and do it with this side where is Hanayama sign begins. And if you do it right, you can take this bolt pretty easy up there. So that was our first move. The next move is to take another part, the U and U, no, the Hanayama part, and put one nut down there. And now be careful, because you need to put the thinner part inside this bolt so that you can move your bolt here. If you do everything right, so it's not going to be a big problem to move it like this. So the next step will be to check our nut in here and put it with thinner part inside, and on the other side make the same. Take the nut and put it with thinner side inside. So as you can see, we can try to push our bolt, but now these two middle nuts are stopping us from moving. So what we have to do is to move them up a little bit, like this, and the other one a little bit up too. Now we can move it, and we still can't disassemble our puzzle. Now we have to move these nuts back where they were, and if everything done correct, it will be pretty easy to disassemble it now. As you can see, we made it into two parts. If you want to assemble it again, so you have to do the same moves but backwards. You have to take two bolts, put them together, now you have to move these nuts a little bit, this one and this one. Now you can push your bolts inside, but be careful, this nut supposed to be thinner part inside, and this one supposed to be thinner part inside as well. Okay, now we can screw these nuts back, this one as well, and now the last part is to move, first put this nut, its thinner part inside, move our bolt like this, and now we have to push this Hanayama bolt through this small gap between nut and bolt. Usually it goes pretty easy, and that's it. Our U and U puzzle is solved, disassembled and assembled again. If you like my video, press like and subscribe button so that you never miss my new video. See you next time.